Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Odysee Creator Studio, publish decentralized videos step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Odysee, which is odysee.com. Once the home page loads, look for the login button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. After filling in both fields, click on the login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once logged in, navigate to the Creator Studio by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Creator Studio to enter the dashboard. In the Creator Studio, you will find options for uploading and managing your videos. To upload a new video, click on the Upload Video button. Select your video file from your device to begin the upload process. While the video uploads, fill in the title, description, and tags to optimize your content. Once the upload is complete, review your settings for privacy and monetization options. Finally, click the Publish button to make your video live on the platform. Your decentralized video is now available for viewers on Odysee. Explore the dashboard for additional features to enhance your creative process. Congratulations on successfully logging in and publishing your content on Odysee. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.